Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. Modesty will help us to realize that we do not know everything. We are working on how to cut and sew an asymmetrical top with a monostripe sleeve today. Please subscribe now, like, share and comment. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. I know you will love this video. Keep on watching. Let's get started. I have my fabric. It's a Duchess fabric to be folded into 4 parts because I'm going to cut the front and the back piece together. So the reason why I'm folding my fabric into 4 is very easy and doesn't take much time for you to cut the two, that is the front and the back piece together. So that's the reason of folding my fabric into 4 parts. So I'll start by taking my measurements, so after folding the fabric into 4 parts. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and please keep on watching this video to the end. And if you have not commented before, you can comment to my YouTube channel. You can drop it on the comment section. I'm going to respond, and don't forget to like and also share it with your loved ones. So I'm through with my folding. Don't forget I folded my fabric into 4. So I'll start by taking the half length of my top, that is the measurement is by 14 inches. That's the half length of my top. So I'm marking it on both sides. Okay, so my chest line area is by 7 inches. So that's the 7 inches. Then I'm going to take the full length of my top is by 21 inches. Then I'll give my zipper allowance by 1 inch. So I'll be ruling it out. That's for my half length, and this is for my chest line measurement, and the last one is my length measurement, that is the full length. Don't forget it was 21 inches. At this point I'll be marking my neckline by 3.5 inches. Then I'm going to go down for the depth of my neckline by 2 inches. So that's for the depth neckline. So I'm going to connect the lines together. I will give a curve. My shoulder is 14 inches. Then I'm going to divide it by 2. So after dividing it, I have 7 inches, and that's what I'm going to mark. So I'm still taking the shoulder measurement. So I'm going to connect them together. So I'll give a straight line to connect the shoulder together. So I'll be sloping down my shoulder now by ½ inch. So I'm going to also use my ruler to take it down. My bust is on my chest line area, so I'm going to divide it by 4. I have 34 inches for my bust. Then after dividing by 4, I have 8.5 inches before adding my 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Then I'm going to curve my armhole by 1.5 inch. So that's for my armhole curve. I'll go down to my waist and also divide it by 4. I have 26 inches divided by 4, so I have 6.5 inches left. Then I'm going to also add my allowance by 1.5 inch. Then I'll go to my hemline area, which is my hip line. So I'm going to mark 36 inches. Then I divided it by 4, so I have 9 inches. I added 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So after that, I'm going to connect the lines together. So that's the connection. So guys, don't forget the style that we are making today. It's very simple to cut and sew. As for my back neckline, so I'm going to mark it now. So I'm going to mark 1 inch for the back neckline. So I want you to take note of that. So guys, don't forget the style that we are making today. We are making asymmetrical top that is going to have monostripe sleeve. So that's the 1 inch for my back neckline. Okay, so after that I'm going to start cutting it out. So the style is very unique, and if you don't understand this tutorial, please, you can say something about it. You can just comment. I'm going to respond to that, and you can drop it in the comment section. Like if you have not subscribed, this is the time for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also turn notification bell so that you can get notified to see my sewing tutorials that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So my long videos is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So guys, don't forget the style that we are making today. It's a simple style that we are cutting. So it's called asymmetrical top. That's what we are making. It's going to have monostripe sleeve. So after this section, I'm going to mark my asymmetrical waistline. So we are going to cut that together. So keep on watching, guys. Don't forget to share this video. So to get my asymmetrical waist, I will place my front piece and my back piece together like this. So from my hemline area, I'm going to place my tape there to the point I want it to stop. So I'm going to mark 6 inches. That's what I'm pointing at. Then I'm going to use my ruler to rule it out to guide me before cutting it out. So your own should look like this when making your own. And if you are finding it hard to understand, guys, you need to watch this video again. So after watching it, you'll be able to know how to cut your own. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please, you can also share this tutorial so that this tutorial can get to more audience so that they can also watch from it. So you can follow the step-by-step procedure when making your own. I want you to say something concerning this tutorial that you are watching today. So just drop it in the comment section, and if you have any question, you can also ask me. I'm going to reply you, trust me. My shoulder too has an asymmetrical line, so I'm going to place my tape like this on my shoulder line, then I'm going to mark 3 inches. So that's what I'm pointing at. So I'm going to also use my ruler to rule it out before cutting it. You can see the style that we are making today. It's very unique, it's trendy also. So I want you to know how to cut this style. That's why I said if you don't understand it, please you can watch it again. I really want you to understand this tutorial so that you be able to make one for yourself. So guys, keep on watching because we have other parts that we are going to also cut, and we are going to also join the body part. So after this session, I'll head over to stitch it together so that I'll be able to join the body parts together. And I believe you are enjoying this tutorial because I'm enjoying myself. So just keep on watching and don't forget to turn notification bell to get to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. Don't forget my name is Samira. So I'll stitch them together. So I'll start from my bust measurement. So I'm going to join my body parts now. So I'm going to divide my measurement by 2. Since my bust is 34 inches, so after dividing it by 2, so it's giving me 17 inches, and that's what I'm going to mark now. And that's how I'm going to also stitch it together. So I'll go to my waist. So I'm still measuring my bust, guys. So I'm marking it now. Don't forget, after dividing it, I have 17 inches. So now is my waist. My waist is 26 inches. So I'm going to also divide it by 2. So I have 13 inches, and that's what I'm going to mark. Okay. So after that, I'm going to also connect my measurement. Okay. And I'm going to stitch on the line that I'm drawing now. So that's the line that I'm going to stitch on. After this part, I'll head over to stitch my fabric together. So you're going to see the outcome. So this is the final look. So I've stitched them together. So we are going to also cut the sleeve, that is the monostripe sleeve that is going to appear at the shoulder. Remember I told you my top is going to have a monostripe sleeve. So I'll be folding my fabric before taking the length. So my length is by 21 inches. So that's the measurement, and it's by 21 inches. So I folded it by 2.5 inches. So yes, that's it. So I folded it by 2.5 inches. That is, I folded my fabric by 2.5 inches. Don't forget, this is the monostripe sleeve that we are making now. So this is how I'm going to stitch it when sewing it. So after that, I'm going to also iron it before attaching it to the top, that is the shoulder of our sleeve. That's where we are going to place it. Okay, so I want you to make one for yourself. I'm going to also teach you guys how I'll be placing the monostripe sleeve to the shoulder of my top. So this is how I'm going to run my stitch on it. I'm going to also iron it out. So I'll be placing my monostripe sleeve. First, I'm going to get my middle point line by 5 inches. So that's what I'm measuring now. So that's where I'm going to place the sleeve. So first I'm going to use my pin to pin it down. I'm going to also do it at the back side of my top. So I'm going to also pin it down. Then after that I'm going to stitch it together. So I took it to my machine to stitch it very well. So I want to teach you guys how to tie it. So this is how to tie the sleeve, the monostripe sleeve. It's very simple. It's something that you can do just for you to watch this video. If you are finding it hard to understand, so please watch it again. So like I said, it's something that you can do. It's not that difficult. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to also subscribe so you can see the outfit is ready. Something that we can just wear out. It's very simple, it's not that difficult, and the fabric that we made use of is called Duchess fabric. It's a pink color, it's a light pink color. So it's my camera that have turned the color of the fabric. So you can use a suitable color when making your own also, so that your top can come out well. So if you have any question, don't forget to also ask me. You can drop it in the comment section. You can also say something nice to me. Okay, I'll be glad to hear from you guys. Please, I want you to clap for me. Clap for me. You are saying, what have I done? Okay, we did it together. Now you are laughing. Sometimes you just have to laugh it out. Amazing asymmetrical top with monostripe sleeve. That's what we just did now. I believe it was helpful to you. Kindly subscribe, comment, share, and also like. Please turn on notification bell. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.